This week, perhaps, is the most crucial in our response to the Omicron variant. Because it's holiday season, you've already got people rushing to tourist centres. And amid that, the administration is trying to ensure as much as they can that New Year's Eve doesn't turn into some sort of a super spreader event across the country. There are restrictions on large gatherings. There are restrictions on New Year parties. In our next report, we explain to you all the curbs that are in place this holiday season.
The grim shadow of Omicron virus has shaken the hope for a new and healthier 2022. As India looked to welcome the new year with pomp and cheer, Omicron disrupted New Year's plans for many. States have stepped up restrictions against the highly transmissible variant, and strict COVID curbs have been imposed in metropolitan cities. In the national capital, a night curfew will be observed from 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. along with a ban on social and cultural gatherings. Bars and restaurants will seat customers at 50% capacity only.
सेकेंड वेव और फर्स्ट वेव में हमने देखा था कि केंद्र सरकार खास तौर पे प्रोएक्टिवली सामने नहीं आई थी. जब फैल गया वायरस पूरी तरीके से, तब हमने देखा कि केंद्र सरकार और कुछ सरकारें हरकत में आई. दिल्ली इज एब्सोल्युटली प्रिपेयर्ड. Mr. Kejriwal, the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, has already convened several meetings and addressed the people of Delhi, saying as far as medical facilities are concerned, we are absolutely ready.
In the city of Mumbai, which has witnessed a record number of cases every wave, curbs on movement have been imposed from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. No big events will be allowed for New Year's. Parties and gatherings on the beach have also been banned. The Karnataka government has announced night curfew in Bengaluru from 28 December. Mass gatherings and crowding at restaurants and bars will be curtailed.
With the New Year celebrations coming up, now people from across the state and districts will be travelling to and fro. Now, to ensure that COVID and Omicron cases don't rise in the state government has increased curbs and has also instructed district authorities to ensure higher surveillance in districts bordering Maharashtra and Kerala. Now, apart from this, the state government has also imposed night curfew in the state and city. Now, Section 144 will be imposed in the night starting from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. between December 28th and January 7th.
With Ministry of Home Affairs stepping in and issuing caution to states and union territories, the word is very much around for the people. Get yourself vaccinated, ensure that there are COVID-19 protocols in place. But with the election season in 5 states and the New Year festival just around, we could be heading for trouble. Safety is in your own hands and caution needs to be exercised is the key word. With camera person Dalbir Singh, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Chandigarh for India Today.